This is a short tutorial class on the introduction to PubMed. PubMed is the National Library of Medicine's free authoritative database of more than 30 million citations to articles in the fields of biomedicine and health. I will quickly show you how you can use PubMed to do your biomedical research. So we're going to get started. In this class, I will show you how to search PubMed and retrieve the articles using your Texas Medical Center library. From the library homepage where we are now, type in your browser, library.tmc.edu, and select Enter. This will take you to the Texas Medical Center Library homepage. And now we're going to look for the icon for PubMed just underneath the core resources. We'll click the icon PubMed. And now we're looking at the homepage for PubMed. And we're going to click in the box for advanced search or for a basic search. So let's type in our search command. Supposedly we have a student who is requesting to do research on how to prevent heart failure in young adults. So we're going to type in our search terms, heart failure prevention, and we'll click on the search button. And as you can see, these are the results of our search terms that we typed in, heart failure prevention, but there's a huge number for the results. And I know that you do not want to go through all those particular titles for what you're looking for. So what we're going to do is take a look at the left side of your page. There are filters, and we're going to narrow down our search. And at this point, we're going to look for those articles most recent under publication date, and we'll select 5 years. And as you can see, our results are limited. And we're going to look at the additional filters by clicking on the button, additional filters. And because we're looking for heart failure in young adults and how to prevent it, we're going to click on age, and we'll select young adults. And we'll click on the show button. And when we're back to our page, we want to make sure we click that filter, young adults, 19 through 24 years of age. So now, as you can see, our search strategy has dropped quite somewhat in results of 450 results. So now, if you're comfortable with that particular number, we can look at what titles we have, and you can begin to choose what you are looking for. We're going to choose number 1, and we'll click on the title. And as you can see, now you're looking at the bibliographic information as far as the abstract. And as you can see, if there are any figures in that particular article, they are listed. There are similar articles pertaining to our topic, along with cited by and references. And so if you are wanting to retrieve that particular article, because this article is under free PMC article, that means PubMed Center, you can click on those articles because they are free. Otherwise, you could click on the Texas Medical Center Library, and it should open up automatically to that particular page. But if not, it will ask you for a username and login. And at this point, you cannot use your THI login. You will need to have access to the Baylor College of Medicine login. And once you click there, it will take you to the article of your choice that you have selected. So why don't we go ahead and do that? We'll type in our username. And our password. And we'll select login. And so there, now you have your full text article that you were looking for. So this is how you can easily search PubMed for articles.